Hello my dear students, welcome back to chemistry class beta. So in the last class we have seen about the acidic nature of phenols, very important topic. Once again go through the video class and refer your fair notebook. Don't be neglect. Okay. Now next property from the chemical properties of phenols, that is nothing but reactions of OH group. In phenol, benzene bonded to OH. Now how that OH is responsible for various types of chemical reactions. Phenol में benzene के ऊपर क्या है बेटा, OH is there. So how that OH is involving in various types of chemical reactions, that only we are going to be discussed in this class. In that, the first reaction is acylation reactions of phenols. I said acylation. Okay. First अपन इसका statement discuss करेंगे ना. Which compound I said? Phenol. Of course, we are discussing chemical properties of what beta phenols है ना. Okay. Here I am going to give you the first of all statement. The statement is nothing but phenols. Phenols undergo the process acylation. Sir, what is mean by acylation? यहाँ पर acylation को अपन दो वे में डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. We can discuss in two ways. One is reaction with acid halides, and also we can say directly acid chlorides, and also we can take acid bromides as you wish. And also we can do another way acylation, that is nothing but reaction with acid anhydrides. Okay, and acylation will be takes place in presence of a suitable catalyst to enhance the rate of reaction, and the catalyst in acylation process is pyridine. Which catalyst we are going to use? Pyridine. Of course, a little bit temperature to use करना ही पड़ता. And here we are getting the product is nothing but aromatic esters. Which product we are getting beta? Aromatic esters, and also we can say another name. This is known as phenyl esters. I am not saying phenol, phenyl. Okay, right. So how to say the statement of acylation? So acylation we can do in how many ways? Two ways. Acylation means reaction with acid chloride. Acylation means reaction with acid anhydride. Try to remember. आपसे acylation बोलते हैं दो वर्ड माइंड में फोकस होना. Acylation means reaction with acyl halide, and we can say acid halide, and reaction with acid anhydride. Both we have to be considered under acylation process. Okay, statement बता दो. So the statement of acylation is phenols on reaction with acid chlorides or acid anhydrides in presence of pyridine gives aromatic esters or phenyl esters. This statement have to be right now. As it is, we can write our own statement. Good. So let us consider we have to be write how many reaction? Two reaction. One acylation with acid chloride and one more acylation with acid anhydride. Now let us go for how does phenol undergo acylation with acid chloride. Okay, what is the formula of phenol? The formula of phenol is nothing but benzene. Benzene bonded to what is the group beta OH. Undergo reaction with acid chloride, and we can say acyl chloride. Acid chloride, or we can say acyl chloride. What is the formula of acid chloride? R bonded to C double bond O. In place of R you can write methyl also. So we can say CH3 bonded to C double bond O. This is called acyl group, and also we can say acetyl group. Try to remember. Okay. So this is nothing but acid or acyl. Acyl connected to what? Chloride. CH3 bond, C double bond O bond, Cl. So we have to be say that this is known as acyl chloride. And you can say acetyl chloride. And if you want, you can say acid chloride. No problem. Good. What is the reactant here? Phenol. So phenol on reaction with acyl chloride in presence of what beta? Pyridine. In presence of pyridine. Here we are going to get the product. Now see the product. From phenols we are going to remove the H plus. It combines with what nana? Cl minus, and pyridine is useful to remove the HCl. This point so many times up to now I told you beta. So what is the use of pyridine? Pyridine nature is nothing but basic catalyst. It can remove the acid. Okay, after the loss of HCl, remaining parts we have to be make club nano. CH3 bond, C double bond O. I am going to be write as it is. Okay, I have written here. Remaining is O minus connect. Okay, now here CH3 C double bond O, charge is nothing but plus, plus goes to be attacked by minus. This is nothing but phenoxy nucleophile. So here remaining is nothing but O. O connected to what? Benzene. O connected to benzene. Okay, now right. See beta here R C double bond O O R. This is nothing but what? Ester. But which type of ester? Here phenyl ring is there. Nothing but we can say benzene ring is there. So presence of benzene is nothing but aromatic ester, and also we can say this is nothing but which ring? Phenyl ring. So here I am going to say that this is nothing but phenyl, and looking like the functional group is COOC. So we have to be say that this is called phenyl ester. What is your product here? Phenyl ester. Right. So this is acylation 1. This is with acid chloride or acyl chloride. Next, second reaction, acylation of phenol with acid anhydride. Again here I am going to show you the reaction. What I am going to consider? Benzene bonded to OH. What is the name of this compound? Phenol. Phenol upon reaction with acid anhydride. The acid is nothing but, you suppose, acetic acid. Which acid? Acetic acid. So we have to say that acetic anhydride. The formula of acetic anhydride, first time I am going to say here, try to be remember, because of from now onwards in every class that formula goes to be repeat now. Which formula? Acetic anhydride. CH3 bond, C double bond O, taken twice O. This is your formula. The formula is nothing but acetic anhydride. Must and should 100% remember करना ही पड़ेगा बेटा. CH3 bond, C double bond O, taken twice O. This is known as acetic anhydride, because of it will be obtained from acetic acid after the loss of water molecule. Okay, acetic anhydride. So phenol on reaction with acetic anhydride. In presence of, we can take what name of pyridine, and also we can consider another reagent for here only. This is nothing but what beta? Concentrated sulfuric acid. This is also we can use here. Otherwise, if you want, you can use the same thing. This is nothing but what beta? Pyridine. As you wish, anyone you can use. Good. Same thing, from phenol we have to remove the H. Okay, na? Here in acyl group, here in acetic anhydride, how many acyl forms are there? CH3 C double bond O, this is nothing but acyl. CH3 C double bond O, here also acyl na beta, but how many acyl forms are there? 2 acyl forms are there. Now let us consider one acyl form. CH3 bonded to C double bond O. One of the acyl here I have written as it is. Remaining O connected to benzene. Okay, na? Same like above structure. Again same thing, phenyl ester. Okay sir, here we got the main product. Okay, acha hai, theek hai. But what will be the byproduct? See guys, how many acyl forms are there? Taken twice. One acyl I have written in main product. One more acyl group is there na? Okay, I am going to be right here. CH3 bond, C double bond O. Remaining one oxygen, outside free oxygen is there. I have written here. From phenol you are removing H plus, so that will be attacks here. So CH3 bond COOH means acetic acid is the byproduct. Again, acids, they can be neutralized by the use of base. The base is nothing but what? Pyridine. Like that we can consider. Okay, right. Acylation story was over. मैं आपके लिए और एक बार revision कर रहा हूँ. Try to be focused. Phenol on reaction with acid chlorides and acid anhydrides. See the example. Phenols on reaction with acyl chlorides and acetic anhydride in presence of pyridine, and also here we can use concentrated sulfuric acid. Forms, the products are nothing but aromatic esters, or we can say phenyl esters, like that better. Okay now, right. Now listen carefully. On the basis of acylation reactions of phenols, we have one objective reaction on the basis of acylation related only. So the objective topic is, listen carefully, very important. This is for objective only. I am going to be right here. The reaction name is called Preece rearrangement. And also we can say this reaction is known as Preece migration reaction, and we can say Preece rearrangement reaction. So what is meant by Preece rearrangement reaction? I am going to show you. What are the final products in acylation reaction? Phenyl ester, phenyl ester, phenyl ester. Now such phenyl esters we have to be take in Preece rearrangement. So phenyl ester formula, benzene bonded to O, benzene bonded to O, O bonded to C double bond O CH3, O bonded to C double bond O CH3. So what is the name of this compound? Phenyl ester. Okay. Phenyl esters in Preece rearrangement process, simply they undergo heating with AlCl3, and also we can consider any Lewis acid like AlCl3, FeCl3, by the supporting solvent CS2, carbon disulfide. So phenyl ester upon heating with, or by passing over the phenyl ester on heating with anhydrous AlCl3, nothing but in presence of Lewis acids, and also in presence of supporting solvent, this is nothing but what beta? CS2, carbon disulfide. Phenyl esters on heating with anhydrous AlCl3 in presence of CS2 solvent, it forms mainly two products. See the two products. Here I told you rearrangement. You don't need to do anything. Don't need to do elimination. Don't need to do addition. कुछ addition का elimination का जरूरत नहीं है. Within the molecule we have to do rearrangement. Only in presence of AlCl3 and CS2. Okay, now by seeing this symbol only, we have to know the conclusion. Yes, the reaction is nothing but what beta? Preece rearrangement. Okay, अब क्या करना? This is nothing but O contain two lone pair donating nature. That means it is ready to donate its hydrogen from ortho place, and it is ready to donate its hydrogen from para place. Okay, now do one thing. This is nothing but acyl group. I have told you so many times. What is the formula of acyl? CH3 bond, C double bond O. Acyl rearrangement takes place at ortho position, and acyl rearrangement takes place at what, Nana? Para position. And such hydrogen shifting towards the O, and O become what, Nana? OH. Okay, I am going to show that. Same thing here. I am going to write that benzene. Again here we are getting how many products? Two products. One regarding ortho position and one more regarding which position beta? Para position. पहले मैं आपको ortho के बारे में बताता हूँ. CH3 C double bond O acyl group undergo migration to ortho position. अगर ortho पे migration करना है तो from that ortho place we have to remove the hydrogen. That removed hydrogen shifted to O, O become OH. Again the position of H ortho place goes to be replaced by acyl group. C double bond O CH3, it goes to be atoxide ortho position. C double bond O CH3. Similarly, we can migrate the hydrogen from para to O. Again O become what, Nana? OH. After the shifting of hydrogen, this acyl group, again it undergo migration towards the para place. So para के place में भी क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? Para also connected to C double bond O CH3. Okay ना. बेंजीन बॉन्डेड टू सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ CH3. यू नो वेरी वेल, फर्स्ट ईयर में दुनिया भर पढ़ाई की है. बेंजीन कनेक्टेड टू सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ CH3. दिस इज कॉल्ड एसिटोफिनोन, बट आर्थो प्लेस हाइड्रोक्सी. So we have to be say that this is known as orthohydroxyacetophenone, and this is nothing but again acetophenone, but opposite place para-hydroxyacetophenone. What is the name of this product? Para-hydroxyacetophenone. Okay, beta. And listen carefully. Here we are heating with AlCl3, na beta. Initially at low temperature, you are going to get the para product. So para product obtained at which temperature? Para product obtained at low temperature, and ortho product obtained at what, Nana? High temperature. So low temperature will be favors the formation of para compound, and high temperature favors the formation of ortho compound. Okay. Once again, statement for Preece rearrangement or Preece migration. Phenyl esters on heating with AlCl3 in presence of CS2 gives a mixture of orthohydroxyacetophenone and para-hydroxyacetophenones. At low temperature, para-hydroxy will be formed. At high temperature, orthohydroxy will be formed. This is very important for objective reaction. Try to be remember. Just rearrangement is taking place. Which group undergo rearrangement? Just the group is nothing but acyl group. This group. So acyl group once shifted to ortho, you are getting first product. Again, acyl group shifted to para, you are getting second product. So orthohydroxyacetophenone and para-hydroxyacetophenone. Such two products here you are getting. Okay, right. So acylation का story मैंने आपको completely बता दिया. Another reaction I am going to show you. This is nothing but benzolation reaction. Benzolation reaction, and try to remember benzolation reaction, it contains a special name. It is a named reaction. Sir, what is the name? Try to remember. Focus करना important नाना. Okay. Benzolation का name मैं आपको यहाँ पर बता रहा हूँ. The reaction name is called Schotten. What I told you? Schotten Baumann. Baumann. Schotten Baumann or Baumann as you wish. Schotten Baumann reaction. Schotten Baumann reaction, or we can say benzolation reaction of what beta? Phenols. Okay, na? Right. Now we are going to discuss about this Schotten Baumann reaction. What is mean by Schotten Baumann reaction? First of all, here I am going to consider a compound. The compound is nothing but phenol. Phenol undergo reaction with, see guys, acylation means reaction with acyl chloride, and benzolation means reaction with benzol chloride. Undergo reaction with benzol chloride. But here you should be remember 100%. By mistake maybe यहाँ पर pyridine नहीं लिखना. In benzolation, in Schotten Baumann, they have to be used a suitable catalyst. That is nothing but aqueous sodium hydroxide. This you have to be fixed here. Be careful. What is the catalyst in Schotten Baumann reaction? Aqueous sodium hydroxide. Good. So phenol on reaction with, I am not saying benzyl, I am saying benzol. I will tell you the formula. Phenol on reaction with benzol chloride in presence of aqueous NaOH, it forms the product. The product name is phenyl benzoate. Of course, it is also aromatic ester. Yeah, पहले मैं आपको equation बताता हूँ. Phenol. What is the formula of phenol? Phenol means benzene bonded to OH. Okay, अच्छा है. Undergo reaction with what I am saying, benzol chloride. Benzene bonded to C double bond O Cl. Listen guys, benzene bonded to C double bond O, keto group. Keto means benzo. Benzene bonded to C double bond O, benzo. Benzene bonded to CH2, benzyl. Okay na? Benzene connected to CH2, benzyl. But here benzene connected to C double bond O. This is nothing but benzol chloride. Okay? So C6H5 bond C double bond O bond Cl. So this is known as what beta? Benzol chloride. Phenol on reaction with benzol chloride in presence of aqueous NaOH. Ready? Same beta. Here we are going to break the OH bond. From benzol chloride we are going to remove the Cl. Remaining is nothing but benzene bonded to C double bond O. I am going to be right here as it is. Benzene bonded to which group, Nana? C double bond O. Benzene bonded to C double bond O. I have written benzol group as it is. Remaining is nothing but O connected to benzene. Remaining is nothing but O connected to another what beta? Benzene ring. See that. Benzene bonded to C double bond O. Again O bonded to benzene. Benzene bonded to C double bond O. Again O bonded to what, Nana? Benzene. So what is the name of this compound? This is nothing but side chain is what? Phenyl. And remaining looking like benzoic acid. Benzene COO. Benzoate. Phenyl benzoate. Okay, na? Right. Remaining Cl minus is there. Such combines with Na plus and goes to be removed in the form of NaCl. And remaining H plus is there. Combines with OH minus and goes to be removed in the form of H2O. Once again, phenol on reaction with benzol chloride in presence of aqueous NaOH gives phenyl. Here benzene group is there. Phenyl benzoate. What is the formula of benzoate? C6H5 bond C double bond O bond O bonded to again C6H5. दो साइड दो बेंजीन बीच में COO एस्टर ग्रुप. So this is purely aromatic ester. दो साइड भी benzene ring नाना. So this is called phenyl benzoate or we can say aromatic ester, but only in presence of aqueous NaOH. This is called Schotten-Baumann reaction. Reaction with benzol chloride. That's why we are saying the reaction is nothing but benzolation reaction. I hope you understand. Good. So now here I am going to show you one evergreen important topic, one evergreen important medicine we are going to be prepared now. The medicine name is called what beta? Aspirin. Very important. Give the preparation of aspirin, give the manufacture of aspirin, statement with equation we have to be right. What is the use of aspirin? Like that everything you have to be remember. Okay now, right now. So let us see first of all, sir, what is mean by aspirin? बताओ? Okay. Listen carefully. पहले अपन aspirin को prepare करेंगे. Sir, aspirin को कैसे prepare करना? How to prepare aspirin? First of all, we have to be consider a compound. Directly मैं यहाँ पर equation बता दूँ आपको. I am going to be consider a compound. This is nothing but salicylic acid. I have told you so many times that formula you may know very well. So the formula of salicylic acid is benzene bonded to COOH and ortho place I am going to be consider OH. You know very well. So benzene contain OH and COOH. They should be adjacent to each other. Side side carbon pair रहना पड़ेगा. This is called salicylic acid. Salicylic acid undergo the process, same process, what? Acylation. Acylation with what? That is nothing but acetic anhydride. So salicylic acid on acylation with acetic anhydride. Once again try to say the formula of acetic anhydride. Okay, acetic anhydride formula is nothing but CH3 bonded to C double bond O, taken twice, again bonded to O. Like this, acetic anhydride. Salicylic acid on reaction with acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. Again catalyst to be same. In presence of what? Concentrated sulfuric acid. In presence of, I am going to write that concentrated what beta? Sulfuric acid. Right. So your bond breaking takes place between O and H. यहाँ पर बॉन्ड को कट कर देना. COOH उस ग्रुप को कुछ चेंज भी नहीं करना पड़ेगा. This group will be remains as it is. So due to cleavage of OH, here free hydrogen is there na, it attacks upon O minus. So now listen carefully, what will be the byproduct? I told you already, but once again, CH3 bond C double bond O means CH3 is COOH, means same like this nana. Here you are going to get the byproduct is nothing but what beta? Acetic acid minus CH3 COOH. That is the byproduct you are going to be eliminated. So H is over. Here two acyls are there, one acyl removed, remaining only one acyl group, attacks it. Okay, now replace the position of H nana. So benzene will be as it is. Above plane COOH group, first carbon connected to COOH group, this also as it is. Second carbon connected to O, yes, this is also remains as it is. But only position of hydrogen replaced by acyl group. How many acyl groups are there? Two acyl groups are there. One acyl removed in the form of acetic acid. Another acyl that goes to be attacks upon O minus of the benzene ring. So here I am going to say that C double bond O CH3. C double bond O CH3. I have written upon O means acyl group replacing the position of hydrogen. Okay, now this is your medicine name. Its name is called aspirin. Very important name. Once again, statement. How to read the statement? Very important, beta. Very important. Okay. Salicylic acid. You know the formula. Pehle formulas be fixed in your mind. Salicylic acid on reaction with acetic anhydride in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid gives aspirin. Like that you have to be right now. Okay, right. Sir, what is the use of aspirin? Aspirin is nothing but it can be used as antipyretic. Very important. Aspirin can be used as what beta? Antipyretic. Pyro means temperature. Anti working opposite means to reduces the body temperature. To reduces the body temperature. Nothing but example is nothing but paracetamol. Paracetamol tablet क्यों लेते तुम लोग? Okay ना, fever को control करने के लिए ना बेटा. So to control the body temperature means working opposite to temperature. Such medicines are known as antipyretic. So paracetamol is also antipyretic and aspirin is also antipyretic. To reduces the body temperature during fever condition, we are using such medicines. I hope you understand. Good. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, एस्पिरिन का और एक यूज भी हो सकता. दिस इज नथिंग बट व्हाट नाना, इट कैन बी यूज्ड एज अनाल्जेसिक. व्हाट बेटा? अनाल्जेसिक्स. सर व्हाट इज मीन बाय अनाल्जेसिक? अनाल्जेसिक का मीनिंग, दिस इज मेडिकल टर्म बट अपना लैंग्वेज में अपन बोल सकते हैं द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस इज नथिंग बट सिंपली पेन किलर. Okay, first suppose high fever is समझो, doctor they are going to suggest Dolo 650 नाना, high dose paracetamol beta. Yes. So उसको लेने के बाद क्या हो सकता? Automatically that will be act as both नाना. Yes, that will reduces the body pains and that also reduces the body temperature. Reducing body temperature, antipyretic. Reducing body pains. This is nothing but what beta? Analgesic. फीवर को कंट्रोल किए तो एंटीपायरेटिक, बॉडी पेन्स को कंट्रोल किए तो एनाल्जेसिक्स. लाइक दैट वी हैव टू बी कंसिडर इन मेडिकल टर्मिनोलॉजी. ओके, सो एस्पिरिन इट कैन बी यूज्ड एज antipyretic and also it can be used as what beta? Analgesics. Both the properties, okay na, is both the functions will be done by what beta? Aspirin. Good. So next here I want to ask you, so this is the aspirin, it is the common name of medicine, but what is the chemical name of medicine? What is the chemical name of aspirin? The aspirin chemical names are, one is nothing but, I am going to show you aspirin chemical names. So listen carefully, this is nothing but acyl group. What I told you? Acyl. Acyl, remaining is looking like salicylic acid. See there, H, यहाँ पर acyl. But remaining groups are same. So we can say salicylic acid. H एक है तो salicylic acid, but place of H replaced by what? Acyl. So we can say acyl salicylic acid and we can say acetyl salicylic acid. So the chemical name of aspirin is acetyl salicylic acid or we can say acyl salicylic acid. Here another name also possible, nana. CH3 C double bond O is nothing but acyl. So acyl salicylic acid. Now I want to consider this one. See this. CH3C double bond O acyl or acetyl. Now such acetyl connected to oxygen. So we can say this is called acetoxy. Remaining is benzoic acid. So another chemical name of aspirin is, this is called acetoxy benzoic acid. Which acid beta? Acetoxy benzoic acid. Once again, salicylic acid on reaction with acetic anhydride in presence of concentrated H2SO4 gives aspirin. Like that own statement you can write now. Aspirin, it can be used as both antipyretic as well as analgesic. It can reduce the body temperature and also it can reduce the body pains. Nothing but painkiller जैसे भी use हो सकता है बेटा. Good. So if we consider CH3C double bond O, this is called acetyl salicylic acid along with oxygen acetoxybenzoic acid. These both are the chemical names of what beta? Aspirin. Okay, now good. So up to now we have studied about the acylation reactions and benzolation reactions, nothing but Scott and Baumann, and one more is here Preece rearrangement reaction, and one more is nothing but aspirin preparation. These four important topics we have covered now. Next, another topic I am going to discuss with you. Same topic we have studied in alcohol. Alcohol में भी तुमने same topic पढ़ाई की है बेटा. The topic is esterification. वहाँ पर क्या पढ़ाई की है? Esterification of alcohols. And here we have to discuss about the esterification of phenols. Okay, अपन उसके बारे में discuss करेंगे. What is mean by esterification of phenols? Try to say a common definition of esterification. The esterification definition is carboxylic acids on reaction with alcohol in presence of what I told you beta, mineral acids. In presence of mineral acids, they are going to form a fruity compound, a fruity odor compound, sweet smelling compound, that is nothing but what? Ester. So such preparation of ester procedure is known as esterification. Like that we have to be saved. So that is the information we have studied in case of alcohol. But now esterification using what? Phenol. Okay. Esterification reactions of phenols. Esterification reactions of phenols. Let me explain first of all statement. Here I am going to be considered phenol. Phenols upon reaction with same thing again, carboxylic acids. Phenols on reaction with carboxylic acids in presence of concentrated what beta? H2SO4, नहीं तो concentrated HCl, any mineral acid you can be considered. So phenols on reaction with carboxylic acids in presence of concentrated what beta? H2SO4, it forms the product. The product is nothing but aromatic esters. Aromatic esters, or we can say phenyl esters, no problem. And the byproduct must be common. The byproduct is nothing but water, no? Water molecule. In every esterification, water should be common product. And another is ester should be common product. So esters always they are having the smell. The smell is nothing but what beta? Fruity smell, or we can say they are having the odor, fruity odor, sweet smelling odor beta. So phenols on reaction with carboxylic acids in presence of mineral acids gives a fruity odor esters, and the byproduct is nothing but water molecule. In that way we have to be read the statement. Okay, let us know the, okay, now we are going to discuss about the reaction. Phenol, what is the formula of phenol? Benzene. Benzene bonded to C double bond O, again bonded to OH, sorry, benzene bonded to what? None directly OH. So this is your compound name is nothing but what? Phenol. It upon reaction with what? Carboxylic acids, nothing but R bond C double bond O OH, Otherwise, in place of R, you can take CH3. So the answer is nothing but what, beta? Acetic acid, CH3 bond, C double bond O, bonded to OH. Acetic acid. Phenol on reaction with acetic acid. Phenol on reaction with acetic acid in presence of mineral acids. Yes, esterification is one more. Try to remember, it is always reversible process. Reaction takes place in presence of what I told you, concentrated sulfuric acid, nothing but in presence of mineral acids. So many times एक एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन रिपीट हुआ बेटा, नीट एग्जाम एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव एग्जाम में रिपीट हुआ केस इट में भी. During esterification, maybe with phenol or maybe with alcohol, whatever that may be. In esterification reactions, which type of bond cleavages are takes place in alcohol or phenol, and one more is nothing but in carboxylic acids. So remember, during esterification in carboxylic acids, always CO bond goes to be cleavage, and in alcohols and phenols, OH bond goes to be cleavage. Perfectly remember karna. Type of cleavage in alcohol or phenol, OH. Type of cleavage in carboxylic acid, CO. This type of cleavage must be fixed in, okay, now what nana, during the process of esterification. Okay, after the cleavage of CO bond, remaining group CH3 C double bond O, I am going to be write as it is. CH3 C double bond O plus adapted by O minus of benzene, phenoxy group. O minus of, okay, now phenol. O minus of phenol. H plus combines with OH minus and goes to be eliminated in the form of what is the molecule beta? Water molecule. So RCOOR looking like what? Ester, but here which ring is there? Benzene is there. So we have to be say that its compound name is called phenyl ester. क्या बोल सकते हैं? Phenyl ester, and exact name is looking like CH3COO, acetate ion. Which acetate? Phenyl. So we have to be say that this is called phenyl acetate. Phenyl acetate, this is the common name, and also we can write IUPAC name. This is known as phenyl. Okay, I have written here. Common name is acetate. यहाँ पर लिखा मैंने. Now I want to say the IUPAC name. 1 carbon meth, 2 carbon eth. Okay, I have written here. Between 2 carbon, single bond. Okay, यहाँ पर N. Functional group is ester. For esters, okay, now for esters functional group, what is the suffix we have to be add? So this suffix for secondary suffix for ester, this is known as OH. So what is the IUPAC name? Phenyl ethanoate, and what is the common name? Phenyl acetate. So this is the example of what nana? Aromatic ester. So it contains the order is nothing but which order I told you? Fruity order goes to be exhibited. One second statement. Phenol on reaction with acetic acid in presence of mineral acids gives phenyl acetate or phenyl ethanoate, or we can say aromatic esters with fruity odor we are going to be observed. So this is the process of what beta? Esterification. Okay. Next, on the basis of esterification, here I want to say two objective topics. तो मेडिसिन के बारे में डिस्कस करना पड़ता, दो मेडिसिन के बारे में डिस्कस करना पड़ता. सो मेडिसिन नंबर 1 हियर आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस विथ यू. बिफोर गोइंग टू नो दैट मेडिसिन्स, आई वांट टू गिव यू वन कॉमन शॉर्ट डेफिनेशन फॉर एस्टेरिफिकेशन. ओके, वन शॉर्ट डेफिनेशन फॉर व्हाट नाना? एस्टेरिफिकेशन के लिए मैं आपको शॉर्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन बताता हूँ. ओवरऑल दिस इज आल्सो ओनली फॉर ऑब्जेक्टिव पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, वी हैव टू बी रिमेंबर, राइट? So esterification only for phenols. Esterification we can see for alcohols and also we can see for phenols. Yes, sir. Alcohols or phenols both separately they can react with carboxylic acids, and also they can show reaction with acid halides, and also separately they can show reaction with acid anhydrides. Acid anhydrides, and here reaction will be takes place in presence of mineral acids like concentrated H2SO4 or HCl or HNO3, no problem. And also we can consider, especially in acid halides, we have to be consider pyridine. This also we can consider. All they gives the common product. The common product is nothing but ester. Try to be remember. All these preparations up to now we have successfully completed. Alcohols or phenols on reaction with carboxylic acids, on reaction with acid halides, and also on reaction with acid anhydrides in presence of mineral acids or pyridine. All they will form the common product. This is nothing but what beta? Ester. What is the common product here? Ester. Okay, right. So on the basis of esterification method, the cleavage of OH in alcohols or phenol and the cleavage of in carboxylic acid is nothing but CO. On the basis of such concept only, on the basis of esterification only, we have the two applications. One is cellulose preparation, one more is oil of wintergreen preparation. These two are evergreen topics for objective exam. Kabhi neglect nahi karna. By mistake may be nana. That much of important questions. Okay, what I told you, applications of esterifications, in that two medicines we are going to be prepared. What I am saying in the applications of esterification. So medicine number 1, this is also only for objective. Very important. So this is known as cellulose. One type of drug, medicine beta. Cellulose is nothing but common name like aspirin, but it contains one chemical name. The chemical name is nothing but phenyl salicylate. What is the chemical name of cellulose? Cellulose is nothing but a drug which can be used as analgesic, nothing but painkiller में use करते हैं. Okay, and another chemical name is nothing but phenyl salicylate. What's the name? Phenyl salicylate. Nothing but definitely this also we are going to be prepared from salicylic acid using phenol. Okay, here I am going to give you the preparation. First of all, here I am going to be discuss with you preparation of structure of kalienge beta salicylic acid. What is the formula of salicylic acid? Benzene bonded to C double bond O bonded to OH, nothing but COOH, and it ortho place, nothing but side place, that must be contain OH group. You know very well. So benzene connected to COOH and OH, they should be upon the adjacent carbon. So this is known as what beta? Salicylic acid. Okay. Such salicylic acid now undergo reaction with phenol. Benzene bonded to OH. Okay. What is the name of this reactant? Phenol. Same nana, looking like carboxylic acids on reaction with phenol. Carboxylic acids on reaction with phenol in presence of what? Mineral acids. And also here we can use one more selective dehydrating agent for the removal of water molecule. Here we can use POCl3. We can use phosphonyl trichloride. It is also very powerful reagent for the purpose of removal of water molecule. Good. Not only concentrated H2SO4, we can use POCl3 also. Okay now. Okay. It is the application of what I told you, esterification. So in the process of esterification, especially in carboxylic acids, we have to be break CO bond. C2O. This one I have to be break. Next, in alcohol or phenol, OH bond we have to be cleavage. In alcohol and phenol, OH bond we have to be cleavage. Now see guys, free hydrogen combines with free OH, H plus combines with OH and goes to be eliminated in the form of water molecule. Remaining group as it is we have to be make club beta. Benzene bonded to C double bond O. Okay, I have written there. Below plane OH group is there, second carbon. Yes, I have written that also as it is. So remaining is nothing but O contain minus, it attacks upon C plus. So that is nothing but here I am going to write O. But O connected to what is the group? Benzene group. Yes. O connected to benzene. O connected to benzene. Attacks upon salicylic acid. Ready, Nana? Right. So this is your name of what? Cellulose. Cellulose is nothing but what I told you. Cellulose is nothing but it is a drug or medicine which can be used as analgesic. nothing but we can be used as a painkiller जैसे अपन यूज कर सकते हैं, right? What is the another name of Celol? See guys, so here I am going to make round up. What is the group? Phenyl group. What is the group? Phenyl group. Remaining you observe once, okay now it will be look like salicylic acid. Benzene connected to C double bond of OH. Benzene connected to C double bond of OH. Yes, exactly this is the form of what? Salicylic acid. Just position of H taken by phenyl. Looking like तो ऐसे है ना बेटा? So H के place में phenyl है. So we have to be say that phenyl and remaining is exactly same coming from salicylic acid. So we have to be say that Celol chemical name is called phenyl salicylate. Phenyl salicylate. Common name is Celol and it can be used as a drug and it can be act as what ना analgesic, nothing but painkiller. मैं आपको और एक बार statement बता रहा हूँ. Salicylic acid on reaction with phenol in presence of phosphonyl chloride gives Celol. The name of chemical name of Celol is phenyl salicylate. It goes to be act as drug and it can be act as what nana analgesic. So this is the application of what? Esterification. Because of why? Because of here in phenol OH cleavage is taking place, in carboxylic acid CO cleavage is taking place. Again here also you are getting ester COOR looking like ester. Cellulose is also one ester product. That's why I am saying this is the application of what beta? Esterification procedure. Okay, last and final I want to give you another topic for objective. This is nothing but Isle of Wintergreen. Isle of Wintergreen, very important. Yes, it can be used as an Ayurvedic oil. आयुर्वेदिक ऑयल में ओके ना लाइक मसाज सेंटर में क्या यूज़ कर सकते हैं बेटा? ऑयल ऑफ विंटरग्रीन में यूज़ करते हैं बेटा. सो व्हाट इज द केमिकल नेम ऑफ ऑयल ऑफ विंटरग्रीन? ऑयल ऑफ विंटरग्रीन केमिकल नेम इज नथिंग बट सेम लाइक अबोव. इन प्लेस ऑफ फिनाइल आई एम गोइंग टू राइट मिथाइल. सो वी हैव टू बी से दैट मिथाइल salicylate. What is the Celol chemical name? Phenyl salicylate. What is the oil of wintergreen chemical name? Methyl salicylate. So preparation तो तुम ही कर सकते हो. How? Salicylic acid same. अगर फिनोल लिए तो phenyl salicylate. In place of phenol we have to be take methanol. Story was clear. So here we are going to prepare the oil of wintergreen. पहले अपन क्या लेना बेटा? Same thing. Yes, we have to be consider first of all salicylic acid. C double bond O bonded to OH. At ortho place the group is nothing but fixed group, that is nothing but OH group. What is the name of this reaction? Salicylic acid. Salicylic acid. It upon reaction with which compound? Here in above reaction with phenol and यहाँ पर क्या लेना बेटा? Here we have to be consider that methanol. CH3OH or CH3 bond OH. This is called methanol or methyl alcohol or we can say carbinol. And here for the elimination of water molecule purpose we can use concentrated what nana sulfuric acid and also we can take POCl3. The purpose is same thing for the purpose of dehydration, means for the purpose of removal of water molecule only. Here we are using concentrated water sulfuric acid. Again this is the application of esterification. So in alcohol OH cleavage, in carboxylic acid CO cleavage, this should be fixed. Now OH minus combines with H plus. H plus combines with OH minus and goes to be removed in the form of water molecule. Remaining is benzene connected to C double bond O and OH. Benzene connected to C double bond O and OH. Everything is same. Benzene connected to C double bond O and OH. I have written as it is. Remaining is nothing but CH3O minus reacts upon C plus. Remaining is what I told you, OCH3. So here I am going to be write as it is OCH3. Okay na? Because of H plus, remaining is CH3O minus. CH3O minus means that O minus position goes to be attacked with C plus, C double bond O. Goes to be attacked with C double bond O. So see guys here, above एक बार देखो इधर Celol. This is phenyl salicylate. This is what? Methyl. So we have to be say that this is known as methyl salicylate. methyl salicylate, or we can say oil of wintergreen. It can be used as Ayurvedic oil. So Ayurvedic treatment में oil of wintergreen को use कर सकते हैं for setting broken bones and in massage centers. Okay, now what will be used नाना? Oil of wintergreen को use करते हैं बेटा. So salicylic acid on reaction with phenol gives phenyl salicylate, or we can say Celone. Salicylic acid on reaction with methyl alcohol gives methyl salicylate. Another name of methyl salicylate is called oil of wintergreen. Both are the applications of esterification. The type of cleavage in esterification of alcohol is OH, and in carboxylic acid is CO. That point you should be remember. Okay, so esterification and their respective application, everything we have covered, and remaining chemical properties of phenols we are going to be continued tomorrow. I hope you understand बेटा. So आज के सारे properties बहुत important, बहुत ही बोले तो बहुत ही बढ़िया important बेटा. So try to make practice. Okay, right.